Brats, there is a podcast called the Scuttlebutt podcast, and recently they've taken a little foray into VR, checking out what it's like to record podcasts in VR. It wasn't predominantly a VR podcast, but they're seeing some things about it, and in that trip they said, hey, we've been playing around with making some stuff with our resin printer. Would you like to see what it's like? Let's find out. So this is from Theron, from the Scuttlebutt podcast. A little present. Oh, we got a couple presents here. Jay, Theron from the Scuttlebutt podcast and Scuttlebutt VR YouTube channel. Been making these universal lens protectors for the Quest 2, Quest, and a Rift from my Elegoo Mars 2 Pro resin printer. I didn't know if you had enough of these protectors on hand and thought you might need some more. Full disclosure, I did not create the model. I don't sell them. There is a creator on thingiverse.com named Tanvac who actually makes these if you want to buy them or print them yourself. I'll leave a link in the description potentially to theirs once we check these out. We got some stickers, premiumsportscustoms.com. I always like stickers, and the Scuttlebutt podcast, both sent here. Thank you so much, Theron, for those, and for some lens protectors. Let's see what these are like. So basically what these are just 3D printed, snap-in-place lens protectors. What these do, they don't have any glass or anything in the middle. They just create a space so that if someone wearing glasses is testing out your headset and they go to shove their glasses up against the lenses and then rub the glass all against them, this will create a physical space that will stop that. And so now we've got 2 sets from them. Really awesome of them to send these. I do want to say thank you. It's always nice to have extra sets of these, especially if you're demoing your Quest with someone, or even if someone you know gets a Quest and you know they have glasses, you throw them a set of these. And if you have a 3D printer, you can print them yourself. I don't, so it's really nice of them to make these for us and send them to us. So I'll leave a couple links in the description. This is just a short thing to talk to you about them. Let me snap them in though. Let me show you how that works. So basically all you gotta do is look at it. There is one edge that's more of a corner than any other. You find that same corner on yours, and ideally these should just snap in place. So as you can see now, it goes around it, and what it's doing, like I said, it's creating a physical barrier. So if glasses were to come in here right now, they'd have a really hard time getting to that lens. Or your other one, there's nothing protecting. That glass actually sticks out the furthest of any part, and glass on glass, someone rubs their glass on there, it's gonna scratch it. So these are nice to have a set around. Print them yourself, buy them on Etsy. But once those are in there, you have a little bit of a layer of protection. And personally, I've rocked something like this on just about every VR headset I have. I actually got sets back in the day for my PSVR. Just having that little space there when someone with glasses tries your headset, it gives you a little peace of mind. And it doesn't come anywhere near touching my eyes or nose when they're on there. So a little extra protection, why not? Check out the Scuttlebutt podcast. Check out Tanvac. I'll leave a link in the description. Their Etsy store if you don't have a 3D printer and you need to get some for yourself. Thanks again to the Scuttlebutt for sending us a little present, just something fun to check out on the channel. I want to say thank you so much for being here with us today, and I will see you in another reality.